If you're in product engineering and development, it can be a challenge to choose the right parts to get you started. So the question remains, where is the best place to actually start? Inertial Sense is a manufacturer of tactical-grade inertial systems, and one of the steps we have taken to simplify the engineering process is to offer a development kit. The components of the development kit were hand-selected by professionals in the navigation industry. The components inside of a development kit include a rugged IMX5 sensor configured to USB interface, various cables you need to interface with the device, and GPS antennas, if applicable to your sensor selection. All of the software offerings, including an SDK, eval tool, CL tool, and log inspector will be provided, as well as several hours of engineering support time. The purpose of a development kit is to supply you with all of the components you will need to successfully evaluate our sensor and its performance in a time-sensitive manner. Although it is possible to evaluate our sensor using an OEM or rugged unit, we advise against it because you will find simplicity in using a development kit. Our kits can be purchased online, or I'm happy to get on a call to advise you on which part would best fit your application. Go ahead, send me an email at sales@inertialsense.com. Let's get developing.